Hoy, andyan ka pala. Andito na naman ako and today I decided I'm gonna do an upgrade on my Ikea greenhouse or the Milsbo glass cabinet that my husband got for me for Mother's Day. And tada! I'll also talk to you guys as we go along the way. But yeah, samahan niyo ako. Halika na! So at the moment, I'm just removing all the plants, and then I'm gonna basically kind of undo everything because I need to drill a hole there at the bottom for the cords and do some configurations. And I'm gonna change this with some almost like a wire rack so that when the humidifier is on, the humidity can travel all the way up. And also I only have one fan right now. I'm gonna be installing more fans, but I don't have that at the moment. But yeah, I'll be keeping the lights that I already have. So the materials that you're gonna need are the following. The first one, I would recommend for you to get the 2-inch hole dozer from Milwaukee. You can get it from Home Depot or any hardware stores. And with that, after you made the hole, I recommend that you guys get this 2-inch grommet. Basically, it's a cord organizer. To customize this Ikea greenhouse, I decided to choose this Elfa Ventilated wire shelves. To hold the wire shelves in place, I got these L brackets from Amazon. And of course, some zip ties. Okay, this one is kind of hard, so I had to ask help from my husband, but this one's I'm gonna do it on this one too. So this is how it looks like, and then the cord can go through that. And for scratches like this, I got this marker that my Hoyaga mother gave me, and we're just gonna do that. Ta-da! Oh, well, can be better, but yeah, not a lot better, right? Or did I make it worse? But yeah, this one is too. There we go. Okay, so this is the second hole. I just put another cord organizer, and oops. Then we're just gonna put this back together as per the instruction of Ikea. So far I have placed back the glass walls, like all these 4 panels of glasses. And normally these little stoppers, or like that's where you anchor the glass sheets. Yeah, I'm gonna call it that because I don't know what to call it. But normally I would do it like all on the same, but since I'm gonna be using an L bracket, I think I should put it higher because this also serves as the anchor for the glass to be flush to the basically skeleton of this cabinet. So what I did, I just bumped it up higher, and then I'm planning to put the shelf here, but I still need to figure out how I'm gonna do it with the L bracket. But so far this is where we are, and this is the cord organizer there. So yeah, let's see, and yeah, I left this one there already because I already stuck it there before. So this is where we are right now. So these are the L brackets. I decided to use the longer portion of the L to be under, just because I feel like it's gonna provide more stability to the sheet, the new sheet, and it's a little bit, it's also heavier than the, in my opinion, than the glass sheet. And I just used this a small screw that is part of this pack that my husband does have in his toolbox. So yeah, and just like what I said earlier, I'm still maintaining this ledges that the cabinet provided, so that it would keep the glass panels flush to the skeleton of the cabinet. So we're just gonna finish everything, and then I'll get back to you on the part when I install the new sheets. And yes, you can see the mess in our bedroom. Okay, you guys, this is what we have. So I did move the grow lights more up in the middle, and then here I just use zip ties, and then again the L brackets, and then the Barina LED light comes with this extension. So I just did an alternating side by side, and then remember that cord organizer that we have is here now. So I'm gonna put plants in, and then I'm gonna put other stuff like fans and humidifier. So I think it looks good. So I put the humidifier at the bottom, hopes that it'll go up through the slits from that sheet panel, like the not variegated, but the fenestrated sheet. So yay! I'm gonna add more. I'm planning to add more fans, so like it promotes better circulation, and then most likely humidistat and a thermometer. I'm gonna link all the. I'm gonna put down the description all the links of the stuff that I use, so you can also customize your Ikea Milsbo or your Ikea greenhouse. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. And excuse my hair, it's late at night, and the drilling that hole really took some effort, but my husband helped me with that. And yeah, kita-kita tayo next time, and follow us on Instagram at Julians_plant_corner. Comment below what you think. I'm also gonna link I'm gonna credit the people whom I learned this from, and mostly it's from the Facebook group Ikea Greenhouse. So kita-kita tayo next time, just like what I said earlier. Comment, like, and subscribe, and may you always be blessed.